Hi there, students. A tyrant. Okay, a tyrant is a ruler who has unlimited power. Okay, so a tyrant. A tyrant is tyrannical, the adjective. Yeah, a tyrannical ruler. They rule tyrannically. They tyrannize the population. Yeah, and the population live in tyranny. Okay, so notice Tyrannosaurus Rex is a tyrant. Yeah, a tyrant is somebody who has unlimited power over the people in their country. Yeah, and they use it unfairly and cruelly. Yeah, so tyranny, a situation in which something controls how you're able to live in a very unfair way. Okay, so the tyranny of a dictatorship. Yeah, a tyrant is a cruel, oppressive ruler. Yeah, he exercises power in an unfair and arbitrary way. The father of the family was a tyrant and a bully. Yeah, a slave driver. He told everybody what they had to do, and nobody had the right to disagree. A tyrant, especially from ancient Greece, was a ruler who seized power, who took absolute power without the legal right, and then decided what to do. So a tyrant is an absolute ruler. They're not restrained by law or constitution. They just do what they want. Yeah, although so tyrannical, yeah, is the exercise of power in an oppressive and brutal way. Yeah, it's the harsh use of authority without being fair. Yeah, so tyranny is treating people, is using your authority in a cruel and unfair way. So yeah, a dictator is very often referred to as a tyrant. A bully, somebody who's always pushing you around, somebody who's very authoritarian, is tyrannical. Big Brother is watching you. Big Brother is the tyrant. Yeah, is the person exercising a tyrannical influence. They are a despot. They tell you what you've got to do, and not because they actually have the right to do it. They'll try and bully you into doing it, shout at you until you agree to do it. So a tyrant, a despot, an autocrat, a dictator. Yeah, a dictator is very tyrannical. So tyranny. Yeah, the American Revolution freed the United States from British tyranny. Okay. Yeah, tyranny. This is talking about using power without control, without limits, and using it in an arbitrary way. In the school playground, you could have a bully who tyrannized all of the other kids. Yeah, he give me your lunch money. Yeah, give me your sandwich. Yeah, he's tyrannizing the other kids. My boss was a tyrant and he was feared by everybody who worked for him. They were all frightened about what he was going to start shouting about next. Yeah, I think tyranny talks about lack of democracy, about lack of freedom of choice, about somebody saying you do this because, and they're bigger and they're more powerful than you. Yeah, they're going to tyrannize you. Let's see, a tyrant, tyranny, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, a touch on the formal side, but I think you could probably use it anyway. You could call anybody a tyrant. And then as to origin, This comes from Latin and from ancient Greek, tyrannos. Yeah, tyrannos, a monarch, a despot, a usurper, somebody who grabs power. Okay, you've also got the Latin word tyrannus, a despot, a dictator. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A tyrant, tyranny, tyrannical, tyrannically.